Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. MC, Yang Berhormat, the Deputy Minister, panelists, participants to this event this evening. Well, talking about the automotive industry, there is the whole scenario of the national automotive policy that was introduced early on by Dr. Azmi, my colleague. And really talking about the economic contribution of the auto industry into Malaysian perspective, a GDP of 3.2% that was recorded last year, and with an employment of above 500,000 people in the automotive industry. We have got 13 manufacturers and more than 500 vendors in this sector, and that's manufacturing alone. Now, in the new NAP, or the revised NAP 2013, apart from enhancing the competitiveness of the Malaysian manufacturing automotive industry, we are also about promoting the aftermarket. You know why? Because in the aftermarket, there's recycling, there is remanufacturing, there is whole 3R activities that actually encompass or will basically close the value chain of the automotive industry. So by saying this, we are actually transforming and making the automotive industry one of the major economic contributor to Malaysia. And we are targeting in the year 2020 for the GDP of the auto industry to reach a whole high level of 10% from 3.2% last year. And we think that engineering, application of engineering and all that would be very good platform, would be the way forward in transforming the automotive industry. Now, we are just not talking about the basic digital engineering application, which are like product development, engineering, process design and engineering, use of CAD, use of CAM, use of CAE and so on. But really, we would like to enhance the application of engineering, with the objective to make the auto industry a sustainable industry. We are really, in the new NAP 2013, we are promoting the application of digital engineering that will include really the whole spectrum of vehicle homologation to be done in a virtual manner, in a virtual reality engineering manner. We are also promoting the use of testing prior to a physical testing, and that to be done in a virtual reality manner. At the same time, we are developing engineering customization. Now, let me try to explain a little bit here. Most of the customized, off-the-shelf kind of software that deals with processes, they are really at one level up, meaning they go to, you got a process, say, for example, it's a manufacturing process. There are software basically that can make the process a lean application, can make it leaner, can help you to relay out your processes, your machines, it can help you to reduce your number of people, etc., and so on, But we want to go further, meaning we want to use engineering to customize the application of all these softwares into what we call an automotive subsector. For example, optimization of plastic mold manufacturing, optimization of plastic injection molding. They are, of course, basic softwares, but we are really wanting to customize so that the variables that are interconnected between machine, parameters, environment, materials, and so on will be interconnected so that this can optimize actually the processes, the production, and improve the efficiency of that particular process. And then again, in the aftermarket, to enhance the application of engineering in the aftermarket is another area that we think of great importance in the way forward for the Malaysian automotive industry. Here is the area where we need to connect, not only manufacturer, vendors to the dealers, but this is here where consumers will need to come. Consumers are being affected through a bad service, for example, or through a non-availability of spare parts, or even spare parts that are not within standards. So engineering application, via certain infrastructure, via certain communication platform can be used so that the voices of customers can then be translated electronically and to be used as inputs to improve further the processes upstream. So the whole National Automotive Policy 2013 is about promoting the entire value chain of the automotive industry. We want to go a step beyond, which is using engineering to reflect the needs of the society, to understand the environmental and requirement of the automotive industry, and also to meet the social obligation of the people within the automotive industry itself. With that, thank you very much.